Welcome back. Abhay Telotama Shakti. She lives on in the memories of every person who's made the fight for truth and justice their mission. She lives on in the tears and pain of her aged and grieving mother, a mother who's accusing the system of a cover-up and is questioning every claim by the TMC government. In a heartbreaking letter on the occasion of Teachers' Day, Shakti's mother remembered the dreams and aspirations of her child and how teachers played a pivotal role in giving wings to those dreams. She said that even on her last day, her daughter did her duty as a doctor. In the letter, Shakti's mother is also directly accusing the hospital administration of trying to demolish evidence. Now, through this letter, she's also appealed to the doctors of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital to share whatever information they might have about her daughter's death. This letter is coming after the TMC countered the family's claims and said that the family earlier denied allegations about the police offering them money. Shakti's aunt has also responded to the TMC, and she reveals that the video that the TMC showed in its press conference was forcibly recorded. Listen in to what the family said, and then we'll also play out the reaction of the Trinamool Congress.
এবং ভিডিওটা চাপ দিয়ে পরিবারকে চাপ দিয়ে বারবারই তো বলা হচ্ছে চাপ দিয়ে করানো হয়েছে 11 তারিখ রাত্রিবেলা নিশ্চয়ই করেছে এসে, কারণ ওনারা এই কথাগুলো তো বলেছেন যে আপনারা যে এরকম বলছেন তাতে তো আপনাদের এখন তখন আমাদের মানে কলকাতা পুলিশের কাছেই এই কেসটা ছিল, তাতে আপনাদের কেসে অসুবিধা হতে পারে। জোর দিয়ে আমাদের বাধ্য করা হয়েছিল এই কথাগুলো বলার জন্য।
মানে যেই ব্যক্তির গলা শোনা যাচ্ছে সেই ব্যক্তিকে পুলিশের কোনো ব্যক্তি
নিশ্চয়ই হবে
এবং বাড়িতে এসে করেছেন।
হ্যাঁ, বাড়িতে এসেই করেছিলেন সুবর্ণ গোস্বামী স্যার যখন মিডিয়াতে বাইটটা দিয়ে
Everybody is coming with their versions, with their stories, sometimes false, sometimes half lie. In one, there is a video in which the parents have in the past said that nobody has offered us money. This is lies, and we want justice for our daughter at the earliest. There is now a video which you are saying in which they have said. So I'm still saying, whatever they are saying, we appreciate whatever they have said. And I think this concern will be taken up.
And remember, while you have the victim's family that is right now questioning the Kolkata police's own conduct about the entire case, there are central agencies who are carrying out investigation with regards to the case. The CBI earlier has arrested the ex-RG Kar Medical College's principal in connection with the case of financial irregularities. Earlier today, the Enforcement Directorate also carried out raids at half a dozen locations in Kolkata and Howrah, including the residence of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. This is in connection with its money laundering probe into the alleged financial irregularities. And on the basis of a statement by Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's aide, Prasoon Chatterjee, the ED also found a palatial property belonging to Dr. Ghosh in Canning, which is in South 24 Parganas. Even as there are new layers unfolding in the investigation almost every day, also media has spoken to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's wife, who says that her husband is cooperating with the investigations.
এগুলো সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। আমাদের যত ধরনের ইনভেস্টিগেশন এজেন্সি আছে আমরা তাদের সবার সাথে ফুললি কোঅপারেট করব। যে অভিযোগগুলো উঠছে এই অভিযোগগুলো মিথ্যা, সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। এটা আপনারাও বুঝতে পারছেন।
কেন এই মিথ্যাগুলো কেন হচ্ছে তাহলে?
আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন তো? যেটা বুঝতে পারছেন সেটা
কাগজপত্র তো বলছি,
কাগজপত্র এখনো অবধি কিচ্ছু পাওয়া যায়নি, পাওয়া যাবেও।
আপনি বলছেন সন্দীপ বাবু কিছু করেননি?
কিচ্ছু করেনি, কিচ্ছু করেনি, সেটা আপনারাও ইভেন্চুয়ালি জানতে পারবেন।
We'll continue to track that story much more right now, heading into a quick break.